Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Jalia Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a physical education class for class 6 students. So dear students, let's start our class. Our lecture number 2 and homework, there is no homework, lecture number 2. Let's start our class. Today's lesson 2, importance of exercise. Our lesson, importance of exercise. The movement of physical organs in a systematic way in order to attain physical and mental fitness and derive joy is called exercise. Sports are also included in exercise. Physical exercise or body movement can be done through different kinds of recreational games. The physical exercise develops not only body organs but also helps getting joy and happiness of minds and achieving social values. Benefits that can be gained through physical exercise are as follows. Number, development of limbs, removes monotony during study. Number 3, balance, development of nerves and muscles. Number 4, leading a disciplined life. Number 5, acquiring social values. Now I explain about it. Development of limbs. Physical exercise makes harmonious growth and development of body structure. With the development of body, it refreshes our mind. As a result, the strength and endurance of the body increases. Exercise increases the blood circulation of the body, increases heart capacity and increases digestive capability, immunity. Removes monotony during study. Study in the classroom for a long time makes students tired and monotonous. Games and sports remove the monotony and fatigue of the students and bring freshness in them and makes them attentive to study. Now, balance, development of nerves and muscles. The body organs grow very quickly during childhood. Mental growth does not always occur proportionately even though through the body grows. To coordinate this systematic body movement is necessary. It is necessary to do the hands, legs and body exercise together and organs of the one after another. For example, exercise of the hands will make the hands strong. Similarly, exercise of the legs will develop the legs muscles. That is why an integrated program of exercise should be taken for a balanced development of the body. Leading a disciplined life. Sense of discipline and leadership qualities are among students will be developed by taking physical exercise regularly. As a result, students will be habituated with disciplined life in their daily life. Acquiring social values. The students need to follow the commands of the teacher or the captain in a disciplined way. When they participate in games and sports and group exercises, one must control one's temper and emotion if loses in games. The social values like obeying commands, maintaining discipline and controlling temperament and emotion and cooperation can be achieved through exercise. The items of exercise are to be selected depending on the student's strength and ability. The use of exercise will be different for boys and girls. However, exercise should be moderate. If the exercise is hard, it will harm the health, both body and mind will become weak. Exercise must not be performed when the stomach remains full. Physical exercise should be done at least 2 hours after meal. I repeat, exercise must not be performed when the stomach remains full. So, we should not perform when stomach remains full. Here are some important vocabulary about this today's topic. Now I read it. Derive means obtain or get, obtain something from joy or happiness. Harmonious, the meaning of this harmonious, forming a pleasing or consistent whole, or similar of this harmonious, balanced or good nature. Endurance, the meaning, the ability to endure an unpleasant or difficult process or situation without giving way. A similar word of endurance, toleration or bearing. And monotonous of meaning of this word monotonous, lacking in variety and interest, and most similar word boring or dull. Proportionately in a way that correspond in size or amount to something else, and comparatively or relatively here a similar word of proportionately. Integrated, the meaning of the integrated combined with another to form a whole, and similar word join or unity. Habituate is used to something, habituate is used to something, and adapt are the similar word. Temperament, a person or animal's nature, especially as its temper permanently affects their behavior. Okay, dear students of class 6, today there is no homework, and practice at your home and read again lesson 2, importance of exercise. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.